welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Sarah and this is My Blessed Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious torta de fajita. If you want to know how I make this delicious taqueria style favorite, just stay with me and let's get started.
Alright, I'm using 2 pounds of fajita. They're cut super thin. This is the Pico de Gallo we'll be using. So for that, I'll be using aroma tomato, some lime, 2 serrano peppers, and some cilantro. What I do is I wash the cilantro and I put it in a double paper towel, wet, and then just roll it up lightly and it stays fresh for about a week and a half in the fridge. So just a quick tip. You can use sour cream, mayo, and any kind of cheese you have. I use a pepper jack or Oaxaca cheese. You'll need some butter for your buns, and you'll need some torta bread. If you're unable to buy the torta bread, then you can just get the bolillos. All right, then we'll just toast that up. So let's go ahead and get started.
Alrighty, we have the carne asada on the grill. All right, we're gonna go ahead and let that just cook down just for a little bit. And now for the fun part. Let's go ahead and start fixing our tortas. Yes, these are the small ones. I couldn't get the big ones, so I just got the bolillos. So just go all the way around. Try to make it an even cut, okay? You feel safer, please just put it on the chopping board and just go down this way, alrighty? So I just peel out some of the inside. So all the veggies and the meat and all that good stuff will go in, okay? If you don't want to take that much bread out, you don't have to. It just fits a lot better. So I have some melted butter here. I'm just gonna brush and then brush on this bread. We're gonna toast them. So the part that you dipped out, which is the top, I fill it with the cheese and your meat, okay? So now I'm gonna put this on the grill and I'm gonna let this heat up. On this one here, I'm gonna put mayo. You could put beans if you want to. If you do want to, you do the beans first and then the mayo, okay? So you'll put this on the grill as well. Butter. Then you wanna add avocado. So this here, I have Pico de Gallo basically with lettuce, just mixed all up, okay? I'm gonna put some avocado or guacamole, whatever you want to do. But if you are doing guac, I would just put maybe some lime, salt, and pepper. So it's not going to be at the start of the show. Everything else is, okay? I'm going to add some crema. Now you're going to add your lettuce because you want it to stick. So you want it on the side that's going to stick. It gets messy, but it's okay. Just turn it over. You're gonna press it down just a little bit. Now what we're gonna do is put it back on the grill just for a little bit, just to let it toast and you are ready to serve, okay? So you'll wanna serve this right away. All right, see you back in a little bit. Just pop them on and let it get a good char. And that is your torta. And then go, and you're gonna wanna cut at a diagonal. And there you have it, carne asada torta. All right, and now for the best part. The taste test. Just like I remember it. This is perfect every single time. You don't have to run to a taqueria to get the best fajita torta. It is absolutely delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video and share this video with your friends and family. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, from my blessed kitchen to yours. Bye.
Con tus labios rosados, yo me muero por una prueba de placer. Siempre que estoy a tu lado, lo que siento, nadie más lo podrá saber. Vamos y